Ever feel like you're just wandering through life, wondering what the point of it all is? Like you're stuck in a giant maze and the exit sign is nowhere to be found? Yeah, me too. But here's the thing, finding your purpose doesn't have to be this big, overwhelming mystery. It's more like putting together a puzzle, one piece at a time. And today I'm going to show you how to find those pieces without losing your mind. Let's get started. First, let's get one thing straight. Your purpose isn't some magical one size fits all thing. It's not like you're going to wake up one day and hear angels singing, "You were born to be a professional llama groomer," unless that's your thing, in which case, go for it. Your purpose is about finding what makes you feel alive, what gives your life meaning, and what makes you excited to get out of bed in the morning. And the best part, it's not set in stone. It can change as you grow and evolve. So let's figure out how to find it. Step one, explore your passions. The first step to finding your purpose is to explore what you're passionate about. What lights you up? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? Here's an example. Let's say you love cooking. You're always experimenting with new recipes, watching cooking shows, and forcing your friends to taste test your latest creations. That's a clue. Maybe your purpose involves food, whether it's becoming a chef, starting a food blog, or just hosting epic dinner parties. The key is to pay attention to what excites you. It doesn't have to be a traditional career path. Maybe your passion is knitting sweaters for dogs. Hey, someone's got to keep those pups stylish. Step 2, identify your strengths. Next, think about what you're good at. What comes naturally to you? What do people always compliment you on? For example, maybe you're a great listener. People are always coming to you for advice, and you have a knack for making them feel better. That's a strength. Maybe your purpose involves helping others, whether it's through counseling, coaching, or just being an awesome friend. And don't worry if you're not sure what your strengths are. Ask the people around you. They'll probably point out things you never even noticed about yourself. Step 3, think about what the world needs. Your purpose isn't just about you, it's also about how you can contribute to the world. What problems do you see that you'd like to help solve? What needs do you notice that you could fill? Let's say you're passionate about the environment. You're always picking up litter, recycling like a pro, and yelling at people who don't turn off the lights. Maybe your purpose involves making the world a greener place, whether it's through activism, starting an eco friendly business, or just educating others. The point is to find where your passions and strengths intersect with the world's needs. That's where your purpose lies. Step 4, take small steps. Finding your purpose doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. So start small. For example, if you think your purpose might involve writing, start a blog or journal. If you're drawn to helping others, volunteer for a cause you care about. The key is to take action, even if it's just a tiny step. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things, explore different interests, and see what resonates with you. It's like trying on clothes. You won't know what fits until you try it on. Step 5, embrace the process. Here's the truth, finding your purpose can be messy. You might try something and realize it's not for you, and that's okay. It's all part of the process. Think of it like this, you're not lost, you're exploring. Every experience, every failure, every wrong turn is teaching you something about yourself. So embrace the journey, enjoy the detours, and remember there's no deadline for figuring it all out. Let me tell you about the time I thought my purpose was to be a professional dancer. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. I took one dance class and spent most of it tripping over my own feet. But you know what? I learned that I'm much better at cheering other people on than I am at dancing, and that's okay. Sometimes finding your purpose is about figuring out what you're not meant to do. Step 6, trust yourself. At the end of the day, you're the only one who can figure out your purpose. It's not up to your parents, your friends, or society to decide. It's up to you. So trust yourself. Listen to your gut. Pay attention to what makes you feel alive. And don't be afraid to follow your heart, even if it leads you down an unconventional path. So there you have it, how to find your purpose in life. Explore your passions, identify your strengths, think about what the world needs, take small steps, embrace the process, and trust yourself.